Hi, this is Sri from Techie Talks AI. In this short video, we'll see how easily we can add a skill into Claude Desktop. Anthropic Claude is in limelight these days, and here you can see the Claude Desktop. So what I'm going to do is, this is a pro version, but even with plain free chat version, you can accomplish this. We will upload a tiny demo skill into this, and we will use that skill. It's a simple demo. Come to this Claude Desktop. Mine is Mac. And here click on Add Files or Photos. I'm going to upload a demo zip file. We will see what this zip file is. Greeting echo skill zip file. Okay. So greeting underscore echo underscore skill.zip file has been uploaded. Now what I will say is use the uploaded skill. My name is Sri and I love AI and robotics. Okay, let's see what it does. See, it's saying I will extract and use the uploaded skill to greet you. See here, hello Sri, you said, I love AI and robotics. So it is just echoing back. And this message, hello Sri, you said, hello Sri, exclamation, this emoji, you said, colon, and the message is coming from our skill. Once you know how to do this, you can build sophisticated skills and run it within your cloud environment. That is what we're going to see. So stay tuned till the end of this video so you understand how this is done. I have a folder, and inside that folder, I have a greeting. You can ignore the files which are on the top. They are my test files. I have a greeting.py, which just has a function, greeting underscore echo, and it will return hello, and the name received. A name is the parameter that this method gets, exclamation, emoji, you said, and the message is also a parameter. So this is the greeting underscore echo method in this. And these two lines are to test this function. These are not needed. Then the most important thing is you need to have a readme.md in the same folder that explains the method. So input colon, name, string, message, string, output, greeting, string. So this is needed for Claude to understand the parameter needed for our function and the expected output. Clear? So just have these two files in a folder, then zip those two files into a zip file. Okay, and that zip file should only have these two files. That is all. And once you have that, you can upload it into Claude Desktop and use our method as a skill within Claude environment. So this is a tiny example of how to create your own skill. Clear? Give your valuable thoughts in the comment section, and please remember to like, share, and subscribe. See you in another tiny video like this. Want to level up your tech skills without the struggle? Mentor Expert gives you private sessions, expert insights, and real solutions fast. Book your personalized tech breakthrough now.